welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT to rewrite your cover letter. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to let ChatGPT rewrite your cover letters, then you can simply provide ChatGPT with the job description like your JD, your resume or LinkedIn, and you can also highlight your key achievements. You need to now ask it to draft a tailored letter. Now once you give all your details, you need to ask it to simply refine it, and then you can simply add your own output, add your own customization in AI's output by injecting your voice, adding specific metrics, stories, and checking for generic phrases to ensure it sounds authentically you and aligns with company's tone. So if you do this, then you can use ChatGPT to write cover letters. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.